Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on GLM future while talking about GOLEM cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, basically, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like GOLEM. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the GOLEM value forecast and answer questions in the event that GLM is a truly wise venture or not, for what reason will GLM succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will GOLEM value rise or drop, we should rapidly really toss a look at what is GLM and its to-date history. GOLEM intro. GOLEM is an Ethereum-based project that plans to construct an, in every practical sense, decentralized network which permits clients to share and total processing assets to make a worldwide supercomputer. The GOLEM Group is making an organization to share assets and desires to supply programming engineers with an option, in contrast to conventional concentrated cloud specialist co-ops like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and IBM, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The organization capabilities as a distributed commercial center for overabundance processing power, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Clients can lease their equipment in return for remuneration in GOLEM tokens, GLM. Those that expect assets to sort of finish pretty concentrated responsibilities, as CGI delivering, can pay for this in every practical sense, overabundance limit through a decentralized commercial center. GOLEM totals various assets while finishing process undertakings, empowering nearly anybody, from a solitary PC to a full server farm, to add to the organization. GOLEM Factory was established in Switzerland in 2016 by Julian Zawistowski and Andrzej Regulski, which is very critical. GOLEM delivered the brass GOLEM execution in April 2018. Permitting providers to procure GLM by contributing PC power and requesters to spend GLM on accessible figure power. The main objective use case is for CGI delivering, permitting requesters to especially circulate handling of any Blender or Lux renderer seen over the GOLEM network. GOLEM price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin in a real sense has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market, most certainly drops affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers sort of are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto for the most part is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, or so they thought. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations in an unobtrusive way. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to generally do likewise. We fundamentally have seen this situation many certainly times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the very next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and genuinely other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative really potential, and a few in every practical sense, other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. GOLEM price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this by and large bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. Underneath basically is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September minus 12.05%, $0.2277, which in a real sense is very huge. 2022 October minus 25.80%, $0.1921. 2022 November minus 23.66%, $0.1977. 2022 December minus 22.81%, $0.1998. 2023 Jan minus 13.47%, $0.2240 in an unobtrusive manner. 2023 February minus 8.34%, $0.2373. 2023 Mar minus 10.04%, $0.2329. 2023 April minus 2.48%, $0.2525. 2023 May minus 2.49%, $0.2525 in a significant manner. 2023 June plus 10.54%, $0.2862. 2023 July plus 11.40%, $0.2884. 2023 August plus 14.00%, $0.2952. GLM price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees GLM coming to $0.5334 in 2025. What will GLM be worth in 5 years? The cost of GLM in 5 years could truly lie around $0.4516, which is very critical. GOLEM price prediction 2030 to 2040. What GOLEM will generally be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees GOLEM coming to $1.33 in 2030. What GOLEM will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees GOLEM coming to $2.67 in 2040. Will GOLEM supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin, which is genuinely critical? No, GOLEM won't for the most part supplant or surpass BTC amazingly. Might GOLEM at any point reach $1? Indeed, GOLEM could reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Might GOLEM at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for GOLEM to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Is GOLEM worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably dangerous money management. Essentially put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, GOLEM generally merits purchasing, in spite of mainstream thinking. Is GOLEM an especially wise venture? GOLEM is, very much like all for the most part other digital currencies, an unsafe venture, which is very critical. It truly does sort of have higher likelihood of